Hey, hello everybody, it's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies. And I'm down at the layout. I was thinking, imagine if I had to move this, but I designed it in a way that I could. Because there's multiple sections in there. So, you know, my feeling is if I had the chance to get a bigger basement, it would be worth it. Not to have to start from scratch. Take it in sections, small sections, you know. You just got to chop it up into small sections and then rebuild it. Anyway, that's just a thought. Right now, at the moment, though, we're looking at the inside of a Pemco GG-1, which was the last video I made. And it just has some oil on the gears, and we just want to see what it's doing. See that's a little bit of a tired, and it keeps derailing, which makes me think that there's some warping of the frame because it's totally on the track. So that's an issue. Yeah, see how it's slow? Now that kind of makes me think there's something. Could be the wheels, but the wheels looked clean visually, but maybe I missed something. It's not running right. And it could be the commutator. So let's see if I can put my money where my mouth is, because I'm telling people, hey, you don't have to take it all apart. I mean, look, if you know what you're doing and you take it all apart, yes, you can make it super clean. But I'm going to try to use the spray. I just shut that. I'm going to try to use the spray on it. And we'll come back and I'll take a video of putting the spray. It's an electronic cleaner spray. So I'm going to spray it right into the motor and see if that clears it up. And I'll check the wheels. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. And I'm going to put these up as little short videos and then one big one. The testing of the Pemco GG-1. The shell is somewhere. I don't know where I put it. Oh, here it is. It's good to visualize, see? To me, the shell, except that it's got a bronzy gold color on the striping, is identical to the Rivarossi shell. So they must have all used the same form. How they did that, I don't know, but they did. All right. Bye for the moment. Hopefully be back very soon. Bye.